Hello, in this video we will show you how to remove the cooling fan on BMW 530D E60 model. To remove the cooling fan, you need to remove this metal plate that's on top of the radiators and the cooling fan. These are all the bolts that we need to remove. After we remove the bolts, now we can take off this metal plate. Next we have to remove this plastic cover that's on top of the radiators. There's a couple of bolts on the two sides that we need to remove. Next we'll plug the connectors that are on the cooling fan. Next we can remove the cooling fan. We just pull the cooling fan up and it will go out. If the video is useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see more videos and give the video a thumbs up. Thank you.